We recently had a flood here in Shakopee. That's in late fall, which has never happened before. And the road was underwater for a couple weeks. It happened while I was on vacation in Ohio. Now I'm down here to see what the road looks like. Piled these weeds up along the fence. And it's still pretty flooded down here. The current, I don't know if you can see that on the video, but it's still flowing pretty heavy. Looks like a regular river flowing through right there, and that's not even, that's normally standing water. We'll come up here and see what the road looks like. It's the first time I've lived here in 18 years that the bridge or the road here has gone underwater twice in 1 year. These weeds are all washed up here. It's kind of cool looking. I wasn't supposed to come down here, but it's kind of safe if you ask me. Look at this washout here. They're gonna have to fix these before traffic can come down here, because some idiot probably run off the road and kill themselves along here. That's really washed out. This is where the damage is on the whatever road you want to call this. What the hell is this? Southbound. I guess it's the northbound lane. It's kind of washed away all along here. It's still really full. That's normally not a lake right there. That's pretty sweet. Just a little shoulder work needs done for the most part. All along here. Oh, it'll be interesting to come up here, see what the, oh, that's really washed out there. Somebody drove off the road there. That really screwed their car up. Here's the high water sign. It's kind of cool. Nobody's pulled the debris off of here yet. Here's the old watermarks on the sign. 65, that was pretty deep. I don't know how deep it was this time, but I would think it came down to at least right there. Yeah, I think the water is higher on that side. Here, I'm gonna get a shot of this sign here, so next time I come down here I'm gonna try to look for it. Piece of metal. I hope we can hear me on the video. I don't know if you'll be able to hear them ducks or the geese. I sure hear them, but I don't see them. Oh man, there's just a shitload of them over there. I don't know if you can see over there. Oh, this is kind of cool. Washed up on the sign like that. Yeah, this is really the only road damage was right there. And right here. And a dangerous stump I hate. And the pavement just peeled up like it's a piece of tape. Oh, one more section here. Now I'm going to turn this off. That's the end of your flood tour of, what is this? It is the 8th of August 2010. Later.